get like, no, why I don't need that. I go to the Caribbean. No, you know you need that. You know it. Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina. I'm a cruiser, probably just like you, or you want to try your first cruise ship. Either way, this video is perfect for you. So, first thing that you have to bring to your cruise, even if you are going to a warm destination, or maybe if you don't usually feel cold, you are going to pack something to keep you warm. A sweater, some long pants, jacket, because two things. First of all, inside the cruise ship you are going to have air conditioning and it's going to be cold. I promise you, they put it very cold and you're going to be cold. Second of all, at night, even if you are on a warm destination, sometimes if you go up to the higher decks, it's going to be windy. So don't forget to pack that. Even if you are a pro cruiser, you maybe get like, no, why I don't need that. I go to the Caribbean. No, you know you need that. You know it. The second thing you will need is probably something that you never heard before. You probably heard about the item, that's for sure, but you never heard about the reason you need it. And the thing that you probably never heard of is that you need sneakers for safety reasons. If you go to a place, to a destination that you will need to explore, for example in Europe, you know you are going to be walking on those sports days. So obviously you heard about that before, right? But the thing is that you need a pair of sneakers. If you're a pro cruiser, you probably heard before when you do the emergency drill that they said to you that if you hear the sound, the alarm sound, you have to take with you your medicine, something warm to keep you warm, and a pair of closed shoes. So this is the pair of closed shoes that you probably need for your next cruise. So in case you have, I don't want to even say that, but you need a pair of sneakers, because if you are stuck in a cold environment, in an environment that you need to run, that you need to be prepared, you know.
If you're liking the video so far and you want more cruise ship content, subscribe to my channel.
The third thing you will bring to your cruise is a pair of flip-flops. Why? Well, many reasons. One, probably if you go to the pool, you go to the jacuzzi, you want to have a spa day, or you want to be comfortable in your balcony, or even in your room, or even you are a little bit picky like me and you don't want to be with your bare feet because who knows how many people were there. Of course they clean it, of course they do, but maybe you want to be a little bit more comfortable. So the thing is that it's a good idea to pack a pair of flip-flops. The next thing that you need to pack, if you are a pro cruiser, you already know this, but you probably sometimes forget about it. If you're a new cruiser, you have to pay attention. So everything that you may need, I don't know, if you get seasick, for your headache, for, I don't know, if you are a woman and you take pills of any kind, well, all of this you have to pack it with you, because some cruise ships have kind of a pharmacy, but some they don't, or maybe the prices are too high, so you don't know if you are going to have a pharmacy near your next port, or maybe you don't want to waste time on your port looking for a pill for your headaches. Cruise ship is not like a normal holiday. It's not that you are, I don't know, in Rome and you can go outside your hotel and buy something in the pharmacy. So everything you may need, think about your day-to-day life. You have to pack it with you. Next thing, you would need a night outfit. Probably you say, I'm not a party animal, I don't want to go to party. Well, you know that if you have an amazing party in front of you, in like 2 minute walk from your room, you're going to end up going to the party. Maybe just do a little walk around. For a woman, a black dress is more than enough. For men, I don't know exactly how to say this in English because I'm not a native English speaker. I'm from Argentina, Buenos Aires. So comment here if you have been to Buenos Aires. So the thing is, maybe even for your dinner you want to be a little more dressed up. So don't forget to buy a night outfit. Next thing you will pack is not something, if I can say pack, but you have to be prepared for that. Is that everything that you may want to see in your phone, I'm talking movies, I'm talking some music, you have to download it before your cruise, because maybe you don't want to buy a Wi-Fi pack, or maybe you want to buy only a social media Wi-Fi pack. So you're not going to have, maybe you don't have YouTube, or maybe the connection is not very fast. Don't forget to also download your cruise app. Next thing you need is a backpack. Why you need backpack? First of all, if you are going to a city, you have a backpack that you can close, that you can put a pin on it or some hack anti-pickpockets. If you have ahead of you a long port day, you want to pack with you water from the ship, maybe a little snack from the ship. Maybe you pack a whole lunch for your cruise port date, which I think is fine. So you pack a sandwich, your swimsuit if you go to the beach or if you go to a city. You also need a backpack for having your things with you. So that's it for today. Tell me down below your must pack for your cruise ships or for any travel if you didn't do a cruise before. And I will appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because in the next video I will tell you some interesting cruise hacks for your next sea adventure. And if you want to know more about the cruise ship world, this is the perfect place for you. Bye! See you next time!